identify a bull run. Now, there are many techniques in the thing. They talk about cycles, they talk about this, they talk about that. It's very, very simple. If there is a huge listing of stocks in the IPO, if the number of stocks in the IPO are very huge, for example 20, 30, 40, 50, if you do that, if you see that, then there is a bull market which is going to come. Now, in a bearish market, the number of IPOs are going to come down substantially. For example, the IPOs will be almost zero, then there will be 1 or 2 IPOs, then there will be 5, 10 IPOs. The number of IPOs will start gathering speed and momentum, and at a particular point of time there will be a lot of IPOs which will be getting listed. So that is the point. The bull market has reached a peak and the number of IPOs are coming down. It means the cycle is like, if there is no IPO getting listed, you can be rest assured the bearish market has reached its bottom out. So that is the bull and the bear market. It's a very, very sound technique, because you just take the IPO, you will know the particular thing which is there. The second problem with many people is, many people use fantastic technique. They try to go through the huge data material and the research material. I know my gym coach gave me one insight. He said, whether you are mentally disturbed, whether you have office problem, that problem, come to gym and do it for 1 hour. The rest will take care of itself. The point is, it looks like a simple advice. It's very difficult to implement. So in the same manner, IPO looks like a very, very easy technique to employ, where you can get the easily the market, whether it's in the bullish mode or in the bearish mode. The other one is the advances and the decline. Normally the advances are, if you take a period of 3-4 months, the advances keep gathering up speed and the volume keeps increasing. In a bull market, many people will like to come and invest, so the volume will increase, the advances and the declines will increase, and the number of IPOs will be increasing. And generally, after the budget, the market within a few days will become euphoric, either before or after the market is announced across. This is a very, very important indicator for a bull market. The other market is, if you take Nifty 50 or Nifty 100, the number of companies announcing profitability, beating the market expectation, would be very huge. If suppose in Nifty 50 in a bull market, you can see there are around 30-40 companies which are actually declaring profits, declaring dividends, and they would probably beat the street expectation across. So these are the indicators of a bull run which you can employ very, very easily. This is a general broad-based pattern. Of course, in a sector, if you want to look at the bull run, very simple. Take the top 10 stocks, analyze their volume, analyze their the growth percentage. They'll all be building up momentum. One stock will be leading to another. One stock will be going up, then the next stock will be going up, then the next stock will be going up if there is a correction. So the stock market acts as a cluster. That is the principle which you can use it across. So please see the IPO. You will get the advance and decline ratio. The volume is very, very important. The number of companies announcing profits will be very huge, and that is the beginning of the bull market across. Of course, no technique is comprehensive. No technique can cover all the situation. This is just an approximate situation. And remember, I am not a SEBI registered advisor, and so you have to take my advice with caution. Now, astrologically, whenever Saturn Rahu, Jupiter Rahu, Mars Rahu combines together or many planets come into the Graha Yuddha, then there is a bull market. If you recently see, the market was just going beginning to peak. It was Sun Rahu, Guru Rahu. Many planets are associated with Rahu. So you have to take this point into consideration and keep watching this channel. We'll be producing very, very innovative material with regard to the stock market, which can be very, very helpful to you as a person. Thank you.